Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card with UBS Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your credit card with UBS Bank, begin by visiting the official UBS website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Card Services section. Select the option for Lost or Stolen Card. Read the information provided about the recovery process. Confirm that you wish to recover your credit card. Provide any necessary identification information for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After confirming your request, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your email for further instructions from UBS Bank. If your card was stolen, monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. For any additional assistance, contact UBS customer service directly. Make sure to have your personal information ready for verification. Wait for your new credit card to arrive in the mail. You can expect delivery within a few business days. Once you receive your new card, activate it by following the included instructions. Now you can continue using your UBS credit card with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.